Last week we did the final wrap-up of Operation 3 Seas, our big citizen research project in the Mediterranean Sea. This week a little bit more about a more local project here in the south of Crete. I'm Manuel, and this is Pinal. And together we travel the Mediterranean on our sailboat Independence that we call home. On our voyages we try not to only document our life on board, but also make a difference in supporting various NGOs and organizations in making the Mediterranean a bit of a better place, creating marine protected areas and doing research projects along the way. So this last update I've been promising for a bit, and here it is. So right now we're back in Plakias again, and running basically a baseline of all the marine species that are in the area, meaning we use our ROV quite a bit and running transects from east to west or north to south, basically from shallow to deep water, which seems to be the easiest possibility, and basically quantify which sort of fish we find in what quantity. And this is kind of what it looks like. The idea is simple. So basically there's a couple of new invasive species intruding this area, and we want to see how quick they really establish, and in terms of the lionfish, it happens really fast. 2 years ago a lionfish was a spectacular find that you would have every other dive, maybe one. Last year it was 2 to 3 each dive, and this year we had counts of up to 20 within one dive. So the numbers are pretty much exploding, and obviously where one species sets foot, something else has to go. So we're trying to find out what that is and how the populations of different fish species will evolve in the future. So that means right now lots of times on the boats, lots of time on the remote control of the ROV, which is great stuff, and we are getting better at this. The cable is looking better and better each time I roll it up. And in the meantime we do follow up on previous projects like the mapping of the seagrass areas in the area. If you haven't seen it yet, have a look at last year's episode. The link is gonna be up here and also down below in the description. And if you do like the efforts that we make and like the work that we're doing, please make sure to check back on our Patreon site. Right now we actually have a limited time offer. If you sign up as a patron this week or in the next 10 days, you do actually get a nice old-fashioned, real handwritten postcard from us that we'll send out of Plakias straight to your home. So make sure to have a look. Next time we'll share with you a little bit more about the more detailed work with the ROV, how exactly we do the transect, how exactly that is done, some screenshots of the remote. Also, we are 100 dives in with the new Open ROV Trident, so we'll have a bit more of a review of that coming up in the future. So make sure to check back.